Ningbo RUK Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a enterprise specializing in the research and development, sales and service of automation equipment, spare parts in the field of industrial automation, and complete solutions for industrial intelligence, informationization, and digitalization systems. We own a professional team consisted of competent and integrity people who hold an important post on respective department, machinery, electronics, computer software, and management. We also have cooperation in programs R&D with well-known university domestic and overseas, especially bringing in Europe's technology and experts. We independently researched and developed CAD/CAM integrated NC cutting system, as well as controller and driving demanded in automation field. Our products are widely used in the cutting of flexible materials, composite materials, and industries such as shoes, garments, bags and handbags, cartons and cartons, advertising, leather, electronics, automobiles, high-speed rail, and aerospace. Our customers are all over the country and Southeast Asia, North America, Middle East, Europe. The company has established a perfect after-sales service system with a number of outlets all over the country and realizing the self-diagnosis service system for equipment health status to provide customers with a full range of efficient services. We have CE safety certification of products and have one certification authority, domestic and overseas. We will continue to forge ahead, adhering to the corporate purpose of creating value for customers and contributing to society.